Racing just is started. We have Sweet Julian break weekly at a start. Thunder Ribbon is on the outside. In Jama is down on the inside. Real Thunder rushing up on the outside. Buku Juice comes next and on the outside now is Gobernadora. 9 de Febrero. Dr. Choice comes next. Pravda while Zabor the Champagne is the early trailer by about of the leader, and going along for the first turn we have Injama, and on the outside is Real Thunder. Buku Juice is done in third. Next on line is Gobernadora. Sweet Jillian comes next. Thunder Ribbon 9 de Febrero moving up on the outside. Then next on line is Dr. Choice, Pravda second less, while Sabo de Champagne is still racing in less. Inside the tres octavo we have Gobernadora by our link anyhow. Buku Juice in second. 9 de Febrero now trying to get closer in third. Then next on line now is Sweet Julian. Dr. Choice likewise arriving at the scene, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Gobernadora by about 2 lanes. 9 de Febrero is on the outside. Buku Juice is down on the inside. Sweet Julian, Dr. Choice with about 100 meters of the race. Dr. Choice now says it's my turn to take the lead. We have Dr. Choice and finally Dr. Choice, Gobernadora, Sweet Julian, 9 de Febrero, Buku Juice, and Real Thunder.
Tiyado pa to. Dr. Choice.